Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change a BMW 1 Series headlight. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your car's engine is completely off and the parking brake is set for safety. Now, open the hood to gain access to the headlight unit. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, you'll need to access the old bulb. Look for the access panel or cover located at the rear of the headlight assembly. Gently unclip or unscrew this cover to reveal the bulb housing. Once exposed, carefully disconnect the electrical connector attached to the old bulb. This step prepares the way for removing the faulty component. Now it's time to replace the bulb. Carefully remove the old bulb from its housing, often by twisting or unclipping it. Take your new headlight bulb and insert it firmly into the housing, making sure it's seated properly. Then, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, ensuring a secure connection for proper function. Finally, let's finish up. Replace the access cover over the headlight assembly, ensuring it's securely clipped or screwed back into place. Close your car's hood completely. Then, turn on your headlights to test the new bulb. Verify that it illuminates correctly and provides proper light output. You've successfully changed your BMW 1 Series headlight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.